will continue the numbers from 10 to 100. Please repeat after me. Read my lips, please. 11. So emphasize on the first syllable by pushing your lips forward and say the Z sound slightly. 11. 11. 12. Push your lips forward when saying the first syllable and the last syllable Z slightly at the end. 12. 12. 13. The first syllable comes from the back of your throat and again the last syllable slightly Z. 13. 13. 14. So please don't say 14, but 14. 14. 15. Don't say quinze, but pronounce 15. 15. 16. Again, emphasize on the first syllable on se, and then slightly say the final sounds z. 16. 16. 17. Say it more like 17. So the P is silent, and the X as well. 17. 18. Again. 18. 19. Say it more like 19. 19. 20. Say it like 20. Now, let's count by 10 to 100. Please repeat after me and read my lips. 30. 30. 50. Same. We don't say cinquante, we say 50. 60. So the X sounds like a double S. 60. 70. So 70 is tricky because in French we add up. So it's 60 plus 10. Okay, let's say it one more time. 70. 80 is 80. Which is 4 times 20 in French. Let's say it again, 80. 90 is 90, which is 80 plus 10. Again, 90. 100 is 100. The T is silent. One more time, 100. We are just going to repeat everything counting from 10 to 100 now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. After repeating few times, now it's time to practice your numbers in French. Write each number from 0 to 20 and then to 100 on a piece of paper and put them in a hat. Pick a number out of the hat and say it in French. Check with my pronunciation until you feel confident. Keep up the good work.